What's the meaning of annuity? Annuity. 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 Annuity.
An annuity is a financial product that provides a fixed stream of payments over a specified period. It is commonly used to provide retirees with a regular income stream upon retirement. Annuities can be structured in various ways, including immediate or deferred, fixed or variable, and single or joint. The amount of the payment is based on the initial investment, the interest rate, and the length of the payout period. An annuity can be a good choice for those who want a reliable source of income in retirement but may not have other sources of guaranteed income.